Alright, Google Android 16 is officially now available. And let me tell you that this is going to be the biggest makeover in Android in 2025. Especially if you are owning a Pixel, your phone is going to get a new vibe. And you think, what's new? Everything is new in it. And Google is calling it off to be Material 3 Expressive Update. It is not just a facelift, it is a whole new vibe and your personality upgradation. Google wants your phone to be less of boring and more of like a playful companion. That means more of animations, bubbly transition, and a real interface. Every interaction feels alive now. If you switch a toggle, it will bounce. If you dismiss a notification, it wiggles. Honestly, it is kinda engaging. Google also dropped 15 plus new components for app developers like redesigned buttons, more intuitive navigation rails, and more. All that means that the apps are going to be more clean, work smoother, and behave more predictably across the board. Another great addition is the motion physics engine. Yes, Google added a motion physics system, which is a fancy way of saying your phone now moves with you. Transitions and touches feel more fluid and more natural. Overall, you will be able to scan your screen more efficiently. Furthermore, the design is getting more personalized with this update. Android 16 has brought in 35 new shape options for avatars, crop images, and other UI elements. That means now you can pair up with a wide color range and your screen will look like your personality. If you are a Pixel user, then get ready for some juicy changes. The quick settings got a fresh new look. You can now resize the buttons and they respond better when you tap them. Even the brightness slider is bigger and easier to use. There's also a color blur effect when you pull down the notification panel. It feels like your wallpaper is part of the experience, not hidden behind it. Lock screens getting a new layout shift as well. Now, notifications will change how your clock and date are positioned. It's subtle, but quick live updates from food delivery apps, cab rides, or maps will now be visible on your lock screen or always on your display. There is no need to open the app, just glance and go. Is Android 16 worth the hype? Well, I have been using Android from past 15 years and trust me, Android 16 is a completely different vibe. It's fun, it's responsive, and for once it feels like Google's being Google again. Well, this is the only beginning. Developers still need to implement all these changes into the app, but the groundwork has been laid. So, are you excited about Android 16? Drop in the comment section. And if the video helped you out, do like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.